Now we can see the tabular form. That is the same thing, individual demand schedule, what we had discussed, individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. See, this is the tabular form of it. Tabular form means you can see price of the commodity is given, it is increasing 1 2 3 4 5, and quantity, that is, it is given in units 5 4 3 2 1. That is, as the price is increasing, quantity demanded is decreasing. Okay, obviously you know it. Then in market demand also, see, this in individual demand, only one consumer we are taking it. Okay, but in tabular form, what is happening? Tabular form, that is market demand schedule. Here price it is given 1 to 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Then dx, that is demand of one commodity, है ना? That is one commodity एक consumer ने किया और दूसरे consumer ने purchase किया, जैसा भी. Okay, another commodity उन्होंने कर purchase किया. So in dx you can see 5 4 3 2 1 it is given, and in dy also, जो another ने दूसरे ने जो दूसरा लिया वो भी decreasing position में ही है, that is 6 5 4 3 2 1 it is given. Okay, so to find out the market demand, what we need is we have to include all the consumers, है ना? सारे consumers का total हमको चाहिए market demand के लिए. So here you can see dx and dy, it is 5 and 6. So in market demand what you will do, you will add both the consumer. अगर इसके साथ आप और भी ऐड करना चाहते हो consumers या और भी commodities के, तो you can add it after dx, फिर dy, फिर next जो भी होगा वो 3-4 commodity का भी आप ले सकते हो market demand. Okay, so here अगर 5 and 6 है, एक dx का 5 है, dy का 6 है, so you can add, you have to add it. 5 plus 6 it is 11, then 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 3 7. In the same way you have to add it, and then you will be writing the market demand, that is the total market demand. Okay, so this is the market demand schedule, that is market demand schedule and individual demand schedule, which we had presented in a tabular form. Okay, so this is the second form of presenting. First form was textual, second form is this one, that is tabular form. Okay, now the next topic which we are going to discuss is demand curve. Okay, now demand curve. Okay, so now we discuss the two methods of presentation, that is textual form and tabular form. Now demand curve, it comes under graphical presentation. Okay, so demand curve is a graphical presentation of demand schedule. Okay, it is a graphical representation of demand schedule, that is whatever demand schedule हमने जो tabular form में बनाया है, that we have to express it in demand curve. That is it. That is when price, quantity, information of a demand schedule is plotted on the graph. Okay, then a demand curve is drawn. Okay, that is demand curve depicts the picture of data contained in the demand schedule. So it relates the amount of the consumer is willing to buy at each alternative price for the commodity over a given period of time. Okay, so simple demand curve, that is graphical representation of demand schedule, that is the tabular form जो हमने अभी देखा था, price and quantity and all, that same tabular form को हमको graph में दिखाना है या curve में दिखाना है. So here one table you can see here, individual demand curve, price दिया है 1 2 3 4 5 and quantity it is given 5 4 3 2 1. तो जैसा कि हमने अभी ये दोनों में पढ़ा, two types, in the same way demand curve also, individual demand curve and market demand curve. So the tabular form which I had taken here, that is the same tabular form which we discussed just now in the last one, that is tabular form जो हमने discuss किया individual demand. तो ये जो individual demand curve में जो tabular form दिखा रहे हैं वो वही same है. तो now what we have to do is, now we have to just plot this tabular form into graphical representation. हमको x and y axis बना के उसको उसमें curve बनाना है. Okay, so I hope it is clear all of you.